What's up, SEO friends? Here's another video to show you a link on a photography website. The site is called 500 Pixels. It's a kind of social network where you can upload your photos about lifestyle, cities, landscapes, nightlife, artistic pictures, etc. And in the 500 pixel profile, you can place your dofollow backlink. You can also put your links on social networks to increase the visibility of your content on these social networks. The domain authority strength of the 500 pixel website is 85. It is very high. So this backlink is very good to start link building in your web projects like blogs, online shops, etc. But first, as always, I invite you to register to our social network to make backlink exchange between other bloggers, webmasters, and everyone who likes SEO. Just visit Prolynken.com to sign up for free. So now let's open an account on 500px website. Opening an account on this website is very easy. We click on Sign Up. We can sign up with Apple, Facebook, Google accounts, or with an email. We will register with our email. Fill in the email and a password. Fill in your first name, last name, and a username. Here we can also add an avatar photo. We add it now, but you can also do it in your profile. The 500 pixel photo website asks us to select 5 categories of photos. Select the ones you want. Okay, we are now inside the website. As you can see, it's a nice and visual website full of quality photos. I recommend that you follow people as if it were a social network. In the pencil figure or in settings, you can complete your profile, add cover photos, links, etc. In the profile info section, we write a short biography about ourselves. It is important to fill in almost the entire profile. In the Contact and Social section, we will add our links, both in social networks and our link to our website. In this case, I have added the link to my Instagram, Twitter profile. And in the Portfolio section, we are going to add a URL and click on Save Changes. Now we have our profile completed, and we can see that our URL link works. And the most important thing is that it is a dofollow backlink. Okay, and finally, we are going to upload a photo on this website to complete our profile even more. Go to My Photos and click on Upload. Add a photo, write the title and description, and it's as simple as that. Now, the members of this site will vote for our photo, and we will also be able to see the views it has had. In short, the 500-pixel website is a good way to start building backlinks to improve the SEO of your web project. And if you like photography, it is a good idea to continue using this website. If you want, you can continue to see more videos for links on your website.